Okay, this is the atrium, and we're on floor 7, and it goes all the way up to the 12th floor. That's where the gym and stuff is. And those all up there are like restaurants, other things. We're at the information desk, piano bar. It's pretty much all that's down here. That's Kanan giving me a look. They're supposed to say hi to people.
Hello, everybody.
Wish you were here.
I'm not one for words, so
I'll say all of them. Bye, everyone.